Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Subnautica 2 game error, and the error is you were disconnected from the session. So if you're getting this error, you were disconnected from the session while playing the multiplayer game in Subnautica 2, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now first of all, let me tell you that the you were disconnected from the session error in Subnautica 2 typically indicates a desync between you and the host or an unstable network connection. So here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Subnautica 2 server status. If you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything to fix the problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then check. Now here starts the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart game and then reinvite. So the host should close the world entirely, relaunch the game and then send a fresh in-game invite and see if that helps or not. If not, then fix 2 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. So copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description and then paste it over here and then hit enter. These codes are safe to use as these codes are just for resetting your internet connection. Copy the third code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the fourth code, paste it over here and then hit enter. And now type exit exit and then hit enter. This will close the command prompt. Now after this, restart your PC. It is a must. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then under network and internet, click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or connected internet. Then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 TCP IP v4 and then click on properties. Select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. This is a Google DNS, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check, or you can also restart your Wi-Fi or modem router and then reconnect and then check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have installed the game on Steam, then browse to C try program files x86 Steam apps common. Open this Subnautica 2 game folder and then look for this Subnautica 2 exe file. Select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app and browse all apps, and this time open the Subnautica 2 game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select the Subnautica 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. And then click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So if you have installed the game on Steam, then browse to C try program files x86 Steam apps common. Open this Subnautica 2 game folder, select Subnautica 2 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. Again click on allow another app, browse, and this time open this Subnautica 2 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this Subnautica 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the Subnautica 2 game, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 62 reset network settings. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset. And then click on reset now. Now it will ask you, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click yes to confirm if you agree. This will perform a network reset on your PC, and then you can go ahead, connect to your Wi-Fi and then check. Fix 7 is to try VPN. So you can connect to a VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. and then check. You can simply launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location and then check. And if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Subnautica 2 game error, and the error is a multiplayer error. You were disconnected from the session. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.